Nothing kills a driving prototype like floaty wheels. You tweak forever, and the car still slides on ice. This is where you stop tweaking. Wheel Controller 3D gives your vehicles proper weight transfer, realistic suspension, and stable cornering from the first play. It works with trailers and heavy rigs, so even a simple cube becomes a convincing truck. Setup is quick. Assign wheels, set motor and steering, then tune while you play. No wrestling colliders or writing custom physics from scratch. That is the moment the project starts feeling like progress. Perfect Fives from over 150 builders says it all. They call it their go-to wheel setup, and the review count backs up the hype. It is a physics controller, not a car model kit. You supply the art, but it makes any ride feel grounded, which is the part that usually eats your schedule. Grab it for $4.20 today, 70% off, and about $1.05 per wheel. Feel the grip and thank yourself later. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Standing up multiplayer can feel like a second job. You want rival tanks exploding, not another hour of connecting rooms. This kit handles the heavy lifting. Tanks Multiplayer comes with a complete battle setup for Unity, Netcode, and Photon. That means real players, real projectiles, and real scoreboards without architecting the network layer from scratch. It is practically a playable vertical slice right after import. You also get solid match flow, spawns, rounds, and UI hooks that are easy to follow. The clean structure means you can spend your energy on armor, damage, and map design instead of packet debugging. Over 100 tank builders rated it a perfect 5 stars. For networking code, that is rare and honestly refreshing. They mentioned how quickly they reached their first online playtest. The tank models are clean but generic, so you will want to drop in your own turret and tracks for a unique look. The driving and shooting logic stays yours to tweak. At $9, you skip the most painful part of game networking. Compare that to a custom setup from a specialist, and this is practically stealing. Making store-ready thumbnails is a grind. You render, edit, export, crop, repeat before you ever get back to the fun part. This tool ends the loop. Ultimate Thumbnails creates preview images right inside the editor, with camera presets and backgrounds. You get consistent marketing shots without opening a photo editor. It is the difference between a messy screenshot and a polished store page. For asset creators, this is huge. Batch processing means you can generate previews for a whole folder at once, so you spend more time building your product and less time decorating the shelf. 62 devs left 5 stars, and the reviews are full of people happy to get a boring chore back. A perfect score for an editor utility says a lot. It is built for thumbnails, not full-blown trailer key art. You may still want one hero image by hand, but for daily previews and store pages, it is more than enough. $8.70 is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it will save your polish time. That is an easy yes. You know the pain. You adjust lighting, move a prop, test it, then exit play mode and everything resets. That is a brutal workflow. Play mode. Save records every scene change you make while the game is running and restores it after you stop. You can tweak a level live and keep those tweaks the moment you hit stop. It handles a broad range of components and scene objects, which makes it perfect for level layout, lighting passes, and quick prototypes. Less rework, more momentum, and the editor feels like it finally has an undo button for real life. 56 developers left a perfect 5 stars, and the reviews are full of designers saying this is one of the first tools they install on every project. A few exotic custom scripts might not be captured automatically, especially ones with weird state. But the core scene changes are covered, and you can always do a second pass. $4 is a tiny price for the hours it gives back every day. If it saves you one annoying redo, it has already paid off. Authentication is the least fun part of a mobile game. You want players in the action, not fumbling with emails and passwords. This is the easy way in. Simple sign-in with Google drops a clean Google login into Unity with minimal ceremony. Players pick their account, get verified, and jump straight into the game, which means lower friction and happier sessions. The package is deliberately small and straightforward. It handles token flow and platform specifics behind the scenes, so you do not need an OAuth degree to launch a title with social login. That is a feeling every solo dev deserves. 48 devs gave it 5 stars and mentioned how much time it saves compared to rolling your own. For an auth tool, that is high praise. Google Sign-In covers one provider, so if you also need Apple, Facebook, or email login, you will add those later. But as a starting authentication workflow, it is rock solid. At $9.95, if one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Authentication is a billable feature. Characters feel dead until they look at something. Hand animating eyes takes forever and usually ends up stiff. This component gives them life instantly. Eyes Animator procedurally rotates eye objects or blend shapes so a character's gaze feels alive, random, and never repetitive. It works on humans, robots, cyclops, even spiders, and it supports bone-based and blend shape-based models. You can toggle individual eye movement for unique monsters, and it is optimized enough for VR and performance-focused URP projects. Since it only uses object rotation, it stays fast and lightweight. Setup is just a few clicks. A near-perfect 4.9 from 40 developers, and many say it becomes a permanent part of their character pipeline. That is strong word of mouth. The documentation is the weak spot, so for custom rigs, you may need to experiment with the example scenes. But once you feel it click, it clicks. $6 is a treat-yourself price for a feature that makes your characters feel instantly human. You deserve this shortcut today. When an NPC has 10 behaviors, regular code becomes a maze. You need a state machine you can actually read at a glance. This is that. State Machine 2 brings a visual state machine into Game Creator 2. You can map idle, chase, attack, and return states on a node graph, then connect them with clear triggers. Debugging becomes a joy instead of a scavenger hunt. Because it lives inside Game Creator 2, it follows the same visual scripting language you already know. You add new behaviors quickly, keep them organized, and see the whole flow at once. It is like getting a map for your AI. 37 devs left a perfect 5-star score, and Game Creator 2 users call it an essential companion. The rating is small, but very passionate. This is built specifically for Game Creator 2, so it won't help you in a code-only Unity project. If you already live in that ecosystem, it is exactly what you need. $11.40 works out to a tiny price per node in your next AI flow. For visual problem solving, that is a massive shortcut. Explosions are a rabbit hole. You tweak particle curves forever and still end up with a sparkler. This pack hands you the boom. This collection is full of high-energy fire, blasts, and explosion prefabs ready to drop into a URP scene. They read as real gameplay moments, not placeholder puffs, and cover a wide range of sizes. The effects are tuned for real-time performance, so you can use them in combat without melting your frame rate. That means you get cinematic destruction and playable gameplay at the same time. It is rare to get both looks and speed. A clean 5-star average from 32 devs says these are reliable and readable across different projects. That is a good sign for VFX packs. Some effects lean stylized, so if you need photorealistic destruction, you might blend them with your own shaders. But for immediate impact, they are ready. $8 is easily less than a burrito with extra guac, and this actually blows up your screen in a good way. Cables are the unsung heroes of a detailed scene. Trying to make a sagging power line with primitives is pure pain. This makes it disappear. Advanced Cable Creator lets you build cables along splines with realistic sag, twist, and attachment points. You can create power lines, rope bridges, or complex wiring in minutes instead of hours. It also supports dynamic physics, so cables can swing and react to tension. That extra movement makes an environment feel much more alive in URP renders. You just set the endpoints and let the solver do the work. 32 devs gave it 5 stars and love how clean the workflow is. The reviews mention that final scenes instantly look more professional when cables hang correctly. If you need soft braided ropes or cloth-like behavior, this is more about solid cables and physics. But for wires and industrial environments, you will be thrilled. At $8, hiring a modeler to craft one custom cable rig would cost 20 times that. This is the smart shortcut for environment artists. Pixel characters are charming, but making one modular and animation ready usually means a mountain of sprites. This base gives you a hero instantly. This customizable pixel character comes with separate layers for hats, faces, bodies, and gear. You can create unique NPCs without redrawing every frame, which is a huge time saver for small teams. The included animations are ready to drop into a 2D URP project, and the color customization lets you spin out variations fast. You get a polished look with real flexibility. Think of it as a character creator you can actually use. 30 developers rated it a perfect 5 stars, and for a pixel pack that is a solid signal. The reviews praise how easy it is to swap parts. It is one character base, so you may need more meshes for a whole town, but the customization system makes those variants quick and consistent. $10 is a small gift to your future self, especially when your player meets their first memorable villager. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.